Hi, Carolyn, Trichologist from Absolique. We're going to show you how to use the scalp tonic here. So what we've done so far, brush therapy, scalp cleansing, we did it 3 times, so we've got a nice clean scalp. We do this because we want to use safe and natural hair loss treatment products and scalp products. So our way of doing it is all about preparing, okay? So when the tonic comes in, we're going to now open the follicle. So we've got the hair follicle, we want that opening nice and open so we can then go and do some treatments later on. So we've got to do it in the shower. The cleanser's been rinsed out of the hair, but the hair's still wet. The tonic, to open the follicle, we're using some ingredients that are active of tea tree, peppermint and menthol. So the feeling of this product is cold. So as soon as it hits the scalp will feel cold, and the cold feeling will last for about 10 minutes. That is your timer. It means you've got 10 minutes to finish off in the shower and get out and do the rest of your treatment. Okay, so you say, I'm ready to get out of the shower. Okay, so you've done your scalp cleanser, you've shaved your legs, done whatever, I'm ready to get out of the shower. That's when you use the tonic, because it is the timer. Now it's a really nice gel. It's not sort of runny, it won't drip off everywhere, but we want to make it easy to apply. So you're going to have your head tilted back in the shower, and all we do is lift the hair up so it's not stuck to the scalp from the water, and we just draw lines, okay? Using 2 hands. So one hand is squeezing the bottle and the other hand is helping to spread the products around. Now it's really easy to use because as soon as it hits the scalp, it's cold, and you can also feel the gel everywhere. Now through the back, I sort of just draw lines sort of down through the hair. Really easy on short or long hair, doesn't make any difference, and you're just directing this through to the scalp. And again, using both hands so you can feel that gel and you can feel that it is cold. Some people don't feel the cold, but the majority of people do. So it's not about using more product, it's just making sure that that gel is everywhere. So then I get in and I just use my hands to make sure I can feel the gel everywhere. But when you're doing this yourself, you'll feel the gel with your hands and you'll feel the cold. So can you feel that cold everywhere? Yeah. Perfect. Now it's instant acting, okay? It doesn't need to stay on for any time. As soon as you feel the cold, as soon as it's on, it's done what it needs to do, and you rinse it out. It must be rinsed out.